4 things a wife loves in her husband. I think there's more. I'm just going to say these 4. If you can do them, you'll have a beautiful life, enjoyable one with your spouse in every way. Number 1, the 4 things a wife loves in her husband. They said she loves when he defends her, protects her and supports her. A wife loves to see that in her husband. Even if she doesn't admit it, she likes it. Number 2, he listens to her, he listens to her emotions, he listens to her words, he listens to her, and he's patient with listening. When you're listening to your wife, throw in another word whenever you get a break to show her that you have been listening. Number 3, she loves her husband to be tender, to give her tender physical touches. Yeah, and like this, little hug, kiss on the forehead. Number 4, he compliments her and shows her interest. He compliments her and shows her that he's interested in her. The newness goes away after 6 months, 1 year. You guys are going to get a little bit bored of that. No, you got to keep going. You'll renew it. Try other ways. Number 5, makes her feel secure and safe that he will not leave her and look for another woman. This is the biggest fear women have, that their husband's going to betray.